Welcome to Renita's Cookhouse. Today I will prepare Doi Dharosh or curd okra. It's a family recipe. I'll show you how I make it. It's very filling and nutritious, yet can be prepared very quickly. It can be eaten as it is, or it can be served as side dish with rice or roti. If you like this recipe, then hit the like, subscribe and the bell icons below so that I can share more and more of my recipes with you every day. The ingredients we need are okra or lady's finger 1 kg. Head is cut off. The rest of the body is cut into 2 to 3 parts depending upon the size of the okra. Mustard oil 1 tablespoon. Refined oil 5 tablespoon. Bay leaf 1. Red chili 1. Green chili 3 to 6 small slit in the middle. Finely chopped onion 1 large. Curd 2 cups. Whole masalas like crushed coriander seeds, crushed cumin and panchforon 1 tablespoon each, and carom seeds 1 teaspoon. The coriander seeds and cumin seeds are crushed in mixer and grinder by using the chopping option twice only. Curry leaves 20. Tomato cut into cubes 1 large. Tomato puree can also be used instead. Grinded ginger and garlic 1 tablespoon each. Grind it in mortar and pestle. Salt to taste. Turmeric 1 tablespoon. Kashmir red chili powder 1 tablespoon. If we are using regular red chili powder, then 2 to 3 teaspoons. Finely chopped coriander leaves or cilantro 20 stems. Heat about 2 tablespoons of refined oil in a pan and bring it to fumes. Add about half teaspoon of turmeric and saute for 30 seconds. This will get rid of the raw smell of the turmeric and will give a very nice warm yellow color to the food. Add okra and about 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix them well. Saute for 7 to 8 minutes in medium to high heat or shallow fry. Stir from time to time. When the seeds have started to come off and okra becomes sticky, take the pan off the heat and keep it aside. Heat about 1 tablespoon of mustard oil and 3 tablespoons of refined oil in a pan. Mix them well and bring it to fumes. Add the bay leaf and red chili. Saute for 30 seconds in low heat. Add the whole masalas like panchforon, coriander seeds, cumin and carom seeds and the curry leaves. Saute in low heat till the masala becomes golden brown and a nice aroma comes out of curry leaves and the leaves change color. Add the onion. Saute till light brown in medium to high heat. Add the grinded ginger and garlic. Mix well. Saute till golden brown in medium to high heat. Add oil if required. Add about 1 tablespoon of turmeric and about 1 tablespoon of Kashmir red chili powder. Saute for 30 seconds in low heat. Add the tomato. Saute till the masala separates from the oil in medium to high heat. Break the larger chunks of tomato with the spatula and mash the masala with the spatula or masher. Add the okra, coriander leaves, 3 chilies, curd and about half teaspoon of salt. Mix them well. Cook for 7 to 8 minutes with the lid on in medium to high heat. After 7 to 8 minutes, open the lid, stir for 1 minute. Add about 3 cups of water. Water used here is a mixture of water and the remaining curd and coriander leaves left in the bowls. Mix them well. Cook for 10 minutes with the lid on in medium to high heat. After 10 minutes, open the lid, stir for 1 minute. Taste it, add whatever is required. Add it about half teaspoon of salt and 3 small green chilies slit in the middle. Mix them well. Poke the okra with a fork. In our stage, it is getting through. Taste it. It is tasty, yummy. I serve it hot with the roti. If the okra is not done as per your expectation, then cover the pan with a lid again and cook for 5 to 7 minutes again. Then check and then again taste and repeat the process. Please try it at home. Share it with your friends and family. Please encourage me by leaving a comment. You can also follow me on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. The links and recipe are given in the description box. Bye for now. Stay healthy, eat healthy and enjoy life.